So this is a typical situation, a house built in the 1920s, not much insulation at all, and the homeowner needs to understand what is most effective, cost effective, where is the best place to put the insulation, and what to do. And this app will help us ultimately to answer those questions. So the goal of this app is to provide the average homeowner with this information so that they can take this curve of temperature and reduce it down to this by providing the right insulation in the right places. This is a typical average house. As you can see from these heat loss values, the biggest concern is the roof, and that's very good to know, but what this app will provide us and what the average homeowner needs is how much more insulation do I need to put in there, and the feedback of what will that get me. That's what ultimately this app will provide us with. When we click on the conservation green button icon, this is the first screen that comes up, and it gives us the choice of selecting the time frame for which we want our energy usage. And if we scroll back to start date, 7 days, we can get, for example, a week's worth of data. By clicking on the right button, the display stats, we can see our actual energy usage and compare it to a baseline. In this case, the mean hourly usage is 1,223 watt hours, which exceeds the baseline by about 100 watt hours. And we can see at the bottom that the usage exceeds the baselines almost 60% of the time. By clicking on the left button, the show graph, we can go to the graph, and clicking the right button, the send email, we can send that on to ourselves or forward it to someone else. And then we can go back to the graph, which will show in red the actual energy usage for that week. And we can see how it deviates from the baseline, which is a projection of what the expected usage would be based on outside temperature. And this allows the homeowner to evaluate the usage based on behavior. Okay, so based on the information in the app and the feedback that I get, I, as the homeowner, am able to make more informed decisions about what I can do and what my options are for the house. Thank you.